Mindfulness is all about being in the present. It means not casting your memory back and not looking forward. It just means just being in the present. Sometimes it's not always possible to stay in the present and do mindfulness because if you can't focus, so you might want something a little bit more physical that you could watch, that you could do. So this is what I've done earlier, and my children quite like this one, which is a jar with glitter in it, and when you shake it up it goes cloudy, but it's quite soothing as the liquid and the glitter separate and it gradually becomes clear. And sometimes when we can't settle down to things and settle down to some mindfulness, sometimes having a jar like this is quite soothing to watch. Okay, and you can do all that with it as well. This one's made with water and a little bit of washing up liquid and some glitter, and that's it. What you could do is a water bottle one as well. So a water bottle one that I've done earlier is this one, where I've put the glitter in the bottom and I've just used a plain old water bottle, and there's glitter and sequins, and I can shake it up as fast as I can, and then I can watch them all settle down. And that's a quite nice one as well, because you can just, if you're just wanting to calm down, you could just sit and watch the bottle and watch the sequins moving around, seeing what you can spot in the bottle, seeing what shapes you can spot if you put different shapes and of sequins in the bottle. And that's just one way of actually stilling your mind. There's another way where we can use actual baby oil, and we can use a jar. So you might have one of those jars that you have for taking your things on holiday, the holiday jar things. You might want to put some sequins in, and you might want to put some glitter in. So I'm going to put some gems in actually there, and I'm going to then add a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to add some red glitter this time. So I'm going to put some red glitter in here like this, and I'm going to put some of these sequins in just like that. Now the difference with the oil one, with the baby oil one, okay, is, and ask your parents if you're going to do this one because it can get messy, and then you're going to gently pour it into there and fill it right up to the top, and obviously using only a small container. Now you don't need to put the washing up liquid in the oily one, and then you just screw the lid on like so and screw it tight, maybe put some sellotape around as well. And then when you shake this one up, you notice this one moves a lot more slowly because the oil is a little bit thicker, and this one is a lot more slow moving than the water one, because the water one, when we shake that up, it settles quite quickly. When we shake this one up, it settles a lot more slowly. So just depends what you like really. But I tend to like watching these, so I'll have them on my desk for when I'm doing my homework or my studies, and I just find them quite soothing to just pick them up and just watch them. And that's quite nice. So that's another alternative way of sort of being in the moment because you're totally focused on something. A jam jar would do. I mean, this was a honey jar before. Or even just a water bottle or an empty shampoo bottle. If you wanted to make the water a different colour and your parents or your nan or whoever looks after you has got some food colouring, you could ask if you could have some food colouring to see if you could make it a different colour as well. Okay, I think that's about it from me. Other than mindfulness is all about being in the present.